Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to start your car with a regular turn key. So this is what our turn key looks like. There will be another video that's going to show you how to do a push start, but today's video, we're going to focus on turn keys. Now, at Best Driving Academy, some of our vehicles are turn keys and some of our vehicles are push starts. So make sure you guys are paying attention in class today so that you will know. So you're going to take the key and you're going to put it inside of the ignition. What is in ignition and where is it? The ignition is always going to be located on the right side of your car for the vehicles that are here in America, okay? So you will put your key in like that. Now, as you can see, the car has not been started yet. Now, if you turn one time, you have basically turned it to ACC, which stands for accessory. So that basically means I'm going to turn it off. And boom, click one click. ACC, that means I can access my radio, I can turn on my air and my heat, although the air won't be cold because the car's really not started, it's not moving anywhere. But if I want to hang out with my friends and chill and I don't want to crank up my car, I can turn it once and it's going to go to ACC, which stands for accessories, and now my accessories on. But the car is not started, meaning it's not, we didn't crank up the car. Now, the downside to this is if I sit here long enough, just on the ACC, the accessories, it can drain the battery, okay? So you want to make sure that you do not just leave it like that for a long period of time, because then when you go to try to start your car, it may not start because the battery is drained, all right? So that's that one click. So boom, one click, turns to accessory. Now, if I want to start my car, in most vehicles, you are going to have to put your foot on the brake. So this is me pushing down on the brake right now. All right. So while I have my foot in the brake, the car is still in park. I'm going to turn one and then I'm going to turn it again. And I'll hear it go, choo-choo-choo. It's going to like crank up. And that's how you know that your vehicle is started, okay? You don't want to crank it and turn it and hold it for such a long time. Nope. You're going to turn the key. You're going to feel the vehicle crank up. And that's how you know that the vehicle has already started, all right? That it's cranked up. So again, let's do it again. Now, to turn it off, I don't have to push my foot on the brake. However, I do recommend it, okay? Because you want to keep your foot on the brake. Make sure you put the car back in park, then turn that car off, okay? But again, one turn, it's the accessories. A second one, and holding it, crank. Now it's started, and the vehicle is ready to be driven away.